Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here, and today we are going to talk about what is Flipkart, how it works, and how to create seller account on Flipkart. So it's very easy process. So before we go further, we just need to know what is Flipkart and what it does and where it is from. So first question is what is Flipkart and how it works. So Flipkart has redefined shopping in India, works on B2C, B2C business to consumer. Um, Flipkart started off with a direct to consumer model, selling books and some other products before turning into a marketplace model which connects sellers and buyers and expanding its catalog. Flipkart, usually known for Indian e-commerce company headquartered in Bangalore and incorporated in Singapore as a private limited company. The company initially focused on online books, as I have told you before expanding into other products categories like consumer electronics, fashion, home essential, groceries, and lifestyle products. So the last question is where people are very confused about, like, can I sell on Flipkart from anywhere? So answer is yes, and anyone selling genuine and new products can sell on Flipkart. Obviously, you just need to submit the required documents which they will mention above for registration to become eligible as a seller on Flipkart. So this is what we are going to do. Obviously, we can sell it from anywhere, and I have told you how it works and what it sells and where it belongs. So right now we are going to create an account for Flipkart, and my my efforts would be like you should know everything about Flipkart seller account. So let's get started without wasting any more of time. So to create an account, you need to search seller Flipkart here, seller Flipkart, and the first link you will see seller.flipkart.com. You can also search it on URL if you want, like go ahead, and otherwise you can search it like here. Click on it and you will end up over here. So you can see there are why sell online, they are answering every single answer for you, and how to be a seller. There are some requirements, I will tell you everything. So you just need to write down here your number. It's the starting point, so just remember that. So I'm just gonna write my number, start selling. So as you can see, you will end up on this page, and on the top you can see I have written my number, and right down below my number you can see enter one time password sent to your mobile number. So they have sent one time password to your mobile number, and you have to enter six number code over here. You have only 30 seconds, I guess. Then you need to enter your email ID, your password, your like the confirm password that you have written on the like the first one. So now the question is, what are you selling on Flipkart? So as you can see, all categories there are two options: to all categories and only books. Why only books? They have like written on the like different category. Why? Because I have told you that this platform used to sell only books, and now it's a big platform, big marketplace. So that's why. Because obviously they have their like image as selling books, so they have to mention that like only books on the right side, and on the left side all categories. So people should know that this platform is not only about books now. And after that you will have to enter GST. So you have to write down your GST government number, if you have any. It is necessary. As you can see down below, GSTN number is required to sell products on Flipkart. You can also share it in the final step. So after this, when you have complete all of this, you need to register and continue. After that, you need to enter your pin code. Where are you from? On the top, and on the bottom, you need to enter your pickup address. If they have verified your pin code and your address, you need to click on continue. Oh, sorry, this picture is very blurry, but I hope you can see everything over here. So on the top, you need to enter your PIN code and your address, like your actual address where they are going to pick up from, and continue. After that whole process, you will end up on this page where you are going to give your business details. You can see that we have to give our GSTN number now, our business name, PAN number, business type, and address, obviously. So these are very like initial and very important information which you have to give. And you can see that you have also have an option for I have applied for a GSN number. So if you don't have any GSN number yet, you can go ahead without GST number, but eventually you have to give your GST number, otherwise the account will not be created properly. And on the right side, you can see that you have to give your image for the signature you have for your business, and you can also draw it if you want, and just go ahead and continue. So the last option is to give your bank details. Obviously, you have to collect your money if you are giving your or selling your product. So you have to give your exact bank details, and you have two options over here. I have a bank account in registered business name. I have applied for bank account in my registered businesses. So whatever you are going to do a business, just remember you have to give your all details regarding your business, even though your bank detail. So just remember that. So whenever you are going to give your bank detail, it will be registered to your business account or business name. So all of this, you just need to give your all original requirements, and just remember everything will be correct. Just revise it again, and that's it. This is all you need to know about how to create your seller account on Flipkart. It's very easy process. You just need to enter your details, and every detail should be correct, otherwise it won't be verified and it won't create your seller account on Flipkart. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand what I've tried to say. We will meet again. Like and subscribe. Thank you.